HO2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
A partly to mostly cloudy day to end off this weekend, the last weekend of the month. And as we take a peek into the start of the week, really the only thing we're looking at is our UA, our rain, really situated towards the east side of the state. We are seeing improvement, so the west end of the state really doesn't look to be getting impacted too much from the remnants that's starting to make its way in. And our ocean conditions has been extended, that small craft advisory, extended one more day until tomorrow evening, until 6 o'clock. That's for the east side of the state. Right now the winds, the Makani, are sustained at up to around 25 miles per hour, but starting tomorrow, that's going to taper down to around 15 to 20 miles per hour for really the entire extended forecast coming up. So with those breezy trade winds, we are going to continue to see up to 5-footers for the east-facing shores, 1 to 3 down south, and flat to 2 for north and west-facing shores. Now, today's been a beautiful day for most of the state. Damp conditions and cloudy conditions for Hawaii Island. These breezy trade winds will continue to bring in the moisture of what was once Tropical Storm Guillermo that will continue to move in for Hawaii Island and the eastern portion of Maui, but majority of the moisture will actually be passing south of the islands. So we're taking a look tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock where we will continue to see passing showers over Mokuokeawe or Hawaii Island. That's going to be lingering at least until Tuesday. Some of that moisture brushing into Maui County, not really making its way towards Oahu as much. And Kauai looks to be well out of the zone of this moisture passing through. Now that's taking us until Tuesday. But if we take a look and an updated look at the hurricane season, we have this one disturbance that continues to move towards the west. Right now, a 70% chance that this could form in the coming days. We actually do expect this to increase into a tropical depression within the next day or so. But good news, as it continues to pass south of the islands, we do look, as this system continues to become more disorganized. One thing I do want to pinpoint, though, is that it could have the potential of being lifted more north. That could bring that moisture associated with that to brush up, especially over Hawaii Island, which could create a week of damp conditions. The next few days could be seeing some showers for the east end of the state. For tomorrow, up to 70% chance for Hawaii Island and the east end of Maui, up to 50% chance for Kauai and Oahu. But for Hilo side of Hawaii Island, the morning will look to be the greatest chance, up to 100%, but that will slowly start to taper down as we get into the evening hours. But again, as I mentioned, that could continue into the week as there's a lot of moisture behind that system. But again, that one disturbance that we're keeping an eye on could keep a 40% chance throughout the week into next weekend, where we do see more sunshine, more dry conditions starting to return across all islands. Sam, back to you.